Are you looking for the best industrial 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best industrial 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Snapmaker A9 Pro 3D Printer. The Snapmaker A9 Pro is an industrial-grade 3D printer designed for professionals and educators needing large-scale, precise, and reliable printing. It features a generous build volume of 500 by 400 by 600 mm, approximately 19.6 by 15.7 by 23.6 inches, allowing for substantial models and complex assemblies. The fully enclosed structure maintains a stable thermal environment, making it ideal for printing materials like ABS, PETG, and TPU while reducing warping and ensuring safety. Equipped with an auto bed leveling system, the A9 Pro simplifies setup and guarantees consistent first-layer adhesion. Its robust construction and advanced features make it suitable for rapid prototyping, educational use, and small-scale production, offering industrial-grade performance in a desktop 3D printer. Number 2. Raise Pro 2 Plus 3D Printer. The Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus, Model 1010170001, is a professional-grade 3D printer designed for demanding applications in prototyping, education, and small-scale manufacturing. It features a dual extrusion system with electronically driven retracting hot ends, allowing for high-resolution prints with materials up to 300 degrees Celsius. The printer offers a substantial build volume of 305 by 305 by 605 mm, 12 by 12 by 23.8 inches, accommodating large and complex models. Its fully enclosed design enhances thermal stability and safety, while the HEPA air filtration system ensures a cleaner printing environment. The Pro 2 Plus is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen, 32-bit motion control board, and supports wireless connectivity, providing an intuitive user interface and seamless operation. Additional features include resume print after power loss or filament outage, making it a reliable choice for continuous production. Number 3. Dremel 3D45-01 3D45 Award 3D Printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 is a versatile and user-friendly 3D printer ideal for both educational and professional settings. It features a build volume of 10 by 6 by 6.7 inches and supports multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, ECOABS, and nylon, with a heated build plate reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius for optimal adhesion and minimal warping. The printer offers automated 9-point leveling and an RFID filament recognition system that adjusts print settings automatically based on the filament type, simplifying setup and improving reliability. It also includes a built-in HD camera, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring, and a 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen for intuitive operation. With its fully enclosed build chamber, the 3D45-01 ensures a stable printing environment and reduced noise, making it a dependable choice for classrooms, workshops, and professional projects. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact and user-friendly FDM 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users. It features a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 mm cubed, supports print speeds up to 500 mm per second, and can reach hot end temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius with a bed temperature of up to 80 degrees Celsius. The printer operates quietly at less than or equal to 48 dB and includes full auto calibration with active flow rate compensation, making setup quick and easy, typically around 20 minutes. The A1 Mini supports multicolor printing with the AMS Lite in the combo version and is compatible with PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA filaments. Users appreciate its high-speed performance, beginner-friendly interface, auto bed leveling, and quiet operation, making it ideal for crafting, gaming miniatures, and board game accessories. While its build volume is limited and print quality may not match resin printers, it offers an affordable, efficient, and versatile solution for a wide range of 3D printing projects. Number 5. Snapmaker Artisan 3D Printer. The Snapmaker Artisan 3D printer is a versatile 3 one machine designed for professionals and hobbyists seeking high-quality 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving capabilities. It features a dual extrusion FDM 3D printing module, allowing for complex multi-material prints. The printer boasts a large build volume of 400 mm x 400 mm x 400 mm, providing ample space for sizable projects. Its industrial-grade linear rails and all-metal design ensure durability and precision, while the auto-bed leveling system simplifies setup and maintenance. The 7-inch touchscreen interface offers an intuitive user experience, and the modular design allows for quick toolhead swaps, catering to various creative needs. The Snapmaker Artisan supports over 600 materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, nylon, and more, making it a comprehensive solution for diverse fabrication tasks.